Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about FEVM 2-liter mini PC with AMD Ryzen AI9 MX Strix Hello and 128 GB RAM. So friend, AMD Strix Hello in new mini PC with the FX-EX9. So friend, the mini PC is featuring 16 generation 5 core and 40 RDNA 3.5 computer rates, and the company state their system is the one of the smallest to the date with the 2-liter capacity, and the company claims the system support the maximum plus 395 at 120 watt, which is the comparable to Ryzen 9 9955HX paired with RTX 4070 laptop GPU, and it comes with LPDDR5 memory on 256-bit bus and offering a total capacity of 128 GB RAM, and FEVM will enable up to 96 GB to use as a video memory, and will benefit user planning to run large languages model using the integrated GPU and NPU, and the mini PC include HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1 and 2 USB 4 connector supporting up to 4 8K monitors, and additionally it features an Oaklink connector allowing for high performance external discrete GPU support, and the mini PC measurement 192 into 190 into 55 mm, and the power supply is a compact 81 into 81 into 30 mm, and the company confirmed the system is powered by 240 watt GaN power supply. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.